3 years ago, I was working at Target full-time, living paycheck to paycheck. What's going on, everybody? CT Flips here, and today I'm going to show you firsthand how I made my first $100,000 at the age of 25, selling people's unwanted goods. Hello.
Morning.
Morning. How's it going? How's everything?
It's cold.
It's cold. It's 25 out. It's freezing.
But that's better than last week, so
Oh, yeah.
we'll go with that. I'm gonna let you use your man muscles.
All right.
You
Awesome.
can have this table if you want.
Great.
So.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. How's everything? Doing good?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So the first thing I managed to grab after that Boston Red Sox shirt was these Harley Davidson winter beanies. We got a scarf, 2 beanies, and they were all in like new condition. And this Harley one actually sold for $78 on Poshmark. And the Harley items just kept coming. Somebody must have dropped these off recently. Harley Davidson collection. But a couple long sleeves. We got a couple local to Connecticut. Those were nice. Another thermal long sleeve. These are all $10 to $15 easily on Marketplace or on Depop.
Yeah, it shuts down.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they don't
absolutely.
Have
Yeah, they don't have. They have enough to put some stuff down on the interstates, but not the back roads.
Right. Plan now if
2 of those.
the world is changing, they may have to.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
more costly for them.
Nice.
You don't do digital cameras, do you?
Oh yeah, I do. Yep. Let me say, thank God she asked me that question because the digital cameras that they had for sale were absolute bangers. So stay tuned to the end of the video for those.
Really enough, I'd
Yeah.
like to have him chat with you and see, you know, what all is involved in what you do.
Oh, absolutely.
It could work.
24? Nice.
College wasn't his
clean up
bag.
nice.
How to parent or how to, you know, like basically live with the next generation, your adult children, without alienating them completely.
Right.
It's hard because everybody wants to accept the differences. So it's like, how do you say something but not say something?
This Yankee sweater has seen better days, but hey, it's already sold for $20 on eBay. Vintage Uconn Huskies stuff is very, very hot. This sweater already sold for $25. Hey, yo, Ice Spice?
Like keep it a stack.
Keep it a stack. Oh, sorry. Let's get back to the regular music. Just wanted to stop here and say that this was such a bad fake. Like, the tag was literally in the middle of the back. The stitching was all off. I knew right when I picked it up it was a fake.
Carhartts. I'll take it.
I'd buy those for sure.
Would you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That works for
Do you
you.
know what the size? Oh, mine.
No, he buys them for him. What do you usually?
I'd do 7 on those.
Okay.
That work for you?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. The vintage Carhartt double knees for $7? I know. Literally.
You want to buy these two black Carhartts?
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you know they're your size?
Oh no, I just buy a little bit of everything. Yeah.
Oh.
Business.
Yeah, I have an online store. Yeah, that's what I do for a living.
Honest, though.
Okay.
So be careful.
Can I do 5 on these? Okay. Great.
Good for you. Oh,
Yep.
I didn't know that you were.
It's my full-time job.
Business. I want him to meet Caleb. I want Caleb to meet him, I should say, because Caleb likes. I'm gonna just give you a forewarning on the purses here.
Yeah, not too bad.
Because Caleb likes, loves to go to pawn shops and sell, and I'm like, ooh, I'm not like the character.
Hey, here's another pair of Carhartt.
There we go.
You got a big bag.
Hold on.
Right there.
They were 32, 32.
And another pair.
There we go.
32, 32 for my son.
32, 32.
Yeah, that's what he wants. 34 is too long.
Right, yeah.
You've got certain things, it's not everything that you do.
So these were the digital cameras that I was talking about. The first one being this Nikon Coolpix. It sells for $45. This Olympus here sells for about $25. And then there was this Nikon. This Nikon barely looked used. It was in immaculate condition. And right after I went home and photographed it.
2 hours later.
Luke, nice to meet you. So I found a bag around the house that I just threw in. But here's the camera. And then here's everything inside.
Okay.
Alrighty? Thank you very much. Have a good one. Take care.
That sweater.
I'd be interested in that sweater. Is it up for grabs?
The wool. Yeah.
Yeah?
Go for it.
Great. Thank you very much.
That's right, you did say sweaters, didn't you? Hold on.
Turn around.
Yeah.
Turn that around. I want to see what those wolves.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
It's got the deer on it.
Oh my God.
We're at 112. We'll do 120 even.
Perfect.
20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Okay guys, we are on to the next stop and I'm picking up 2 Uconn kids jackets, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I just picked up the Uconn jackets. Like I said, they are both kids. This one is Team Starter. This one also has the Husky back hit on it. Beauty. And then we got the Reebok. This one's pretty nice. This one's pretty nice. I like the design on this one. It's got the Heisman Collection Reebok. And that one also has the Husky on the back of it as well. I got both of these for $25. This next stop is a Facebook Market pickup. And the way I met this guy was I actually missed a Buffalo Bills brand new with tags starter jacket. He had it up on Facebook Market for $50. So I messaged him to see if he had any other jackets. I ended up getting a Lakers jacket, a Mariners jacket, and also a Suns jacket, all brand new with tags. And so I messaged him again once we were done with that deal and asked him if he had anything else. And he said he had 2 other jackets. So here they are.
Yeah,
There we go.
there's
Awesome.
just one that's Super Bowl, and then
Great.
this one, like I said, this isn't good.
Oh, this one's got a huge hole on the back.
Oh, jeepers! No, I didn't see that. Honestly,
Yeah.
oh.
Jeez.
Well, I could maybe tape that up from the inside then.
I mean, I'm still interested in it. I'm gonna obviously have to put some money into it. So what would be your best?
I don't know, because I was gonna say I could even fix it. $40 or something. That's what we.
I would do 25 on it, just because it's got the hole on it. It's probably gonna cost me
No,
25.
I'll hang on to that then, and I'm
You're
gonna
gonna-
see if I could repair that then.
Yeah,
I didn't realize
I
that
mean-
it was there on it, because I mean, of course, I would.
Would you meet me in the middle at 30? That way I can go get it fixed, because I am interested. No,
35.
35. All right, yeah, let's do it.
All right,
35.
good enough, good enough.
Great. And then that's
and then
the Falcons
this one
ones.
was only the 20. Yeah.
Okay, great. So, $55
Yeah,
bucks.
that sounds good.
Okay, great.
He had the dog. Thank
55.
You. He had
Thank
the
you.
dog in the.
It's always a
in
pleasure.
the seat.
Now that the fun part of my job is over for the day, I have to get people's orders who have already paid out the door. So here we go. Got 35 orders on eBay and 2 on Depop. All right, I just finished packing the car with all the stuff that I listed over the past 2 weeks. There is a lot of stuff that goes on behind the scenes that you guys don't see, such as like loading the car, which took like 30 minutes. But it is a grind. It isn't easy work at all to be a full-time reseller. It's a full-time job. But what I could leave you guys with is what you put into things is what you get out. Okay, to be honest, this is my least favorite part of reselling, packing orders, but it's got to get done. So come join me, pack orders. I did have 35 orders to pack and it took me about 40 minutes. So I'm not going to bore you guys, but I will pop up some of the highlights of my solds for the week. Just finished packing all the orders, Depop, eBay, and these are today's orders. Now we head to the post office. I wanted to first start off by saying thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. Never in a million years would I ever have thought that there'd be 400 people on the other side of this camera watching me, watching these videos that I'm putting out. So I do want to say I appreciate each and every one of you guys so much. If you guys are a reseller, just started reselling, have been reselling for 10 years, thinking about starting to resell, I wanted you guys to comment down below, what's your favorite form of sourcing inventory? For me, it's always estate sales, yard sales, but it may be different for you guys. So comment down below. All right, so I'll leave you guys with this. My story, my reselling story was 3 years ago, I was working at Target full-time, living paycheck to paycheck, was making nowhere near $100,000 and didn't even think that I was even capable of making that amount of money online, working every day 9 to 5, anywhere. If you want to take your reselling career as serious as I am, scaling your business, growing your business to where you can literally make money in your sleep, the things that I would recommend you do is 100% 3 things. Stay consistent. Number 2, don't be afraid to come out of your comfort zone. Number 3 is watch people who are already successful doing what you want to do. As far as reselling, there's a lot of YouTubers out there that are really successful at reselling, and if you want to be at their same level, you have to put in the same efforts and make sure you are always being consistent. And the last thing that I'll leave you guys with is, in this business, if you want to make money, you have to spend money. So coming out of your comfort zone and spending money on inventory you know is going to sell, but you may not want to come out of your pocket on, is very crucial when it comes to making money. When I first started reselling, I'd be like, oh my God, I gotta spend $50, I gotta spend $100. Now I'm like, all right, if I spend this $1,000, I'll make 3. And that's the mindset you have to have when you want to scale your business. You always have to look further and further past what you think is your limit. So I just wanted to thank you guys again for tuning into my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you got something out of it, and if you did, share it with me down below. Make sure you hit that bell notification, sub to the channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. What's going on, guys? If you want to stay more in the loop and see what I find on a day-to-day basis, go show some love to that Instagram CTFlips_. Thank you guys, appreciate it.